Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW Tips and Tricks, and I'm going to try to answer two birds with one stone in this video. Somebody asked me the other day, I did a video, and this is looks like a single item, but if you go to arrange and break curve apart, there's actually two different, and your laser will cut this twice. So somebody asked me how that could happen, and I'm not 100% sure, and then somebody else asked me how you would draw that. It was a pretty neat deal. It was, and what it was actually to lay a, an item down, and you could have holes where you could pick the item up. You know, if this was your wood, and you could reach down there and get your item out of that hole. And somebody asked me how you draw that, and it all depends on the shape. And I used a random 4x3 to make it a little bit easier for the video. So just take your circle, whatever circle it's going to be, and you snap. If you have snap to on, it'll snap to right there. Now our box is 3 inches deep, so we're going to change our nudge factor to 3, or nudge distance. We're going to control D, and we're going to arrow that down. We're going to control D and make another one, and we're going to go to this midpoint. Now our box is 4 inches across, so we're going to make it 4. And just control D and make a duplicate and move it over. And then this is maybe what I'm thinking happened. They welded it, and then they accidentally maybe color filled it just to double check, and they had specified that they want a hairline. So when they color fill that and then they take away the outline, there are two items on top of each other. The only way I could see that they did that if they maybe combined them together. And now you can see if you select it, it's just a curve on one layer, but it will cut twice because there's two lines there. And yesterday we just figured this out together. You go to arrange, break curve apart, and there's your two lines. So that's how you would create that. And what happened, I'm almost 100% sure now, he made the first one, and then he duplicated around the page. Well, every one of them had two sets of lines. And he was cutting it out of acrylic, and so it cut it twice, which not only made a maybe not so good a cut, but it also took twice the time to laser. So this would be a pretty neat jig idea if you had something that was 4x3 and you wanted to be able to get your fingers in those corners to pick it up out of the board so you could place another batch in there. But anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.